question number 4. Before starting question number 4, I will show you something, that is what is the meaning of using of. Using of, the word of, what is the meaning of? Between any two fractions is to be used as a multiplication. So example, 2 by 7 of 5. 2 by 7 is a fraction. 5 we can write as a fraction as 5 by 1. So of is between these two numbers. Then we will write this one, 2 by 7. Instead of we will put into 5. Another example of 5 of 7 by 12. So between these two numbers of. Then we have to calculate instead of we will put into here. Next, 3 by 7 of 70 kg. So then we will write 3 by 7 instead of we will put into. Next, using BODMAS. What's the meaning of BODMAS? The word BODMAS is the abbreviation formed by taking the initial letters of 6 operations. First, in BODMAS, first letter is B, that is for bracket. O means of, D means division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. Example 1 question will do. One by 3 plus 2 by 9, that is in bracket, of 8 by 15 divided by 4 by 9 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. All 6 operations are using here bracket, of, division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. So first which calculation do, that is the first BODMAS word is there bracket, B is the first letter. So bracket, where is the bracket? That calculation we have to do first. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 in bracket. So first we have to calculate this answer. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 answer. 3 and 9 denominators, different denominators. So LCM 3 and 9 is a 9, because 9 is a multiple of 3. So direct we can write as a 9. Then 9 is the LCM, and same process, 3 how many times in 9? 3 times into 1, 3 direct I am writing here, plus 9 how many times in 9? It's 1 time, 1 into 2, 2 here. Then other all calculations terms same, remains the same, of 8 by 15 divided by 4 by 9 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So first step means that is a bracket, if there is in question bracket, you calculate that bracket solvent or remove the bracket. Now next 3 plus 2 answer is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 9. Then next we have to remove bracket, calculation complete here, that is 5 by 9. Next of. After in the word BODMAS, O is the second letter, so O of is here. So of change and we are putting here into. Then next number 8 by 15. So now we have to calculate, this is the calculation we have to complete. And remaining terms same we have to write. So these two are 5 by 9 of change and writing into 8 by 15. So now calculation. 5 and 15 we can divide. 5 3 times in 15. Then 9 and 3 in denominator, 8 in numerator. We cannot cancel any more terms. So answer is 8 by 9 into 3, which is 27. This is here 1 into 8, 8 is the answer. 9 into 3 answer 27. Then next calculation, in the word of BODMAS, D is the letter. D means division. Division symbol changing here, division making into. If you use into here, 4 by 9 reciprocal is 9 by 4. Then other terms remain same, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So now we have to calculate here first this 8 by, so in division we converted as into reciprocal writing. Then next step bottom as m is selected, so multiplication. So these three numbers in multiplication only, writing 8 into 9 into 3, denominator 27 into 4 into 4. So maximum can cancel here, 9 and 27 dividing, that's 3 times. Then next these 3 and these 3 we are cutting. Then 4 and 8 we can divide, 4 2 times in 8, then 2 writing 2 and first these 4 and 8 cutting 2, then these 2 and 4, second 4 cutting 2. So all cutting and balance is this remaining here. Numerator all numbers cutting, so answer is 1. Numerator 1 everywhere it is cutting and 1 only, so 1 is as the numerator, and denominator 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Then minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is remaining. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means it is cancelling, that is 0 only. Another example, 8 minus 8 means it is 0 only. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cutting like this. Then plus 1. So plus 1 is the answer. Next, question number 4. Find the value of 1 by 2 of 10 kg. 1 by 2 of is here, so of converted into 10 kg. 2 and 10 dividing, cutting 5. So answer is 1 into 5, 5 kg. Then second question, 3 by 5 of 1 hour. 3 by 5 of 1 hour. So 3 by 5 of means it is into 1 hour. Now we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 5 into 1 hour converted 60 minutes. So now 5 and 60 we can divide 12. 12 times 5 in 60, 12 times. Then 3 into 12. 3 into 12 minutes. 3 into 12 answer is 36 minutes is the answer. Third question, 4 by 7 of 2 1 by 3 kg. Mixed fraction, whenever there is the mixed fraction question, you convert that one as in improper fraction. Then 4 by 7 of 2 1 by 3 kg, 4 by 7 of convert into, then 2 1 by 3 kg, 4 by 7 into 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 by 3 kg. So 7 7 first cutting, so remaining numbers 4 and 3 we cannot divide, so writing as the same, 4 by 3 kg. 4 numerator is bigger number than the denominator, so divide and 1 1 by 3 kg is the answer. Next number 4. 3 1 by 2 times or 2 meter. 3 1 by 2 times or 2 meter. 3 1 by 2 means it is 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Times means into 2 meter. Same 2 meter. 3 1 by 2 times of. Times of means that place we have to put times of. That place we are putting into 2 meter. Same. Next 2 and 2 cutting here. Remaining 7 is the answer, 7 meters. So answer is 7. Next number 5. 1 by 2 of 2, 2 by 3. 1 by 2 of means into mixed fraction. That's changing improper. 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. Next 2 and 8 we can divide. 2 4 times in 8 4. Then 1 into 4 4. Denominator only 3 remaining. So 4 by 3 is the number. 4 is bigger, so divide and get 1 1 by 3 is the answer. Next number 6. 5 by 11 of 4 by 5 of 22 kg. 5 by 11 of 4 by 5 of 22 kg. 2 place here off, so that 2 place use into and get the answer. Next, number 5, simplify and reduce to a simple fraction. So first question, 3 all by, this is a common division line, by 3 by 4. So 3 by 3 by 4. Numerator number is 3, denominator number is 3 by 4. So mixed fraction convert and change, that is 4 into 3, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 4. Then next this 3 we can write as 3 by 1. 3 we are writing 3 by 1. Then common division 15 by 4. So then next step, numerator number is 3 by 1. Is writing 3 by 1. So this is a division symbol, we are converting division changing and writing into. Then denominator number 15 by 4 will write as a reciprocal form. 15 by 4 reciprocal means 4 by 15. So division change and putting into. Then 15 by 4 we will write as a reciprocal, that is 4 by 15. Then 3 by 1 into 4 by 15. Then 3 and 15 we can divide here. It is 5 times 3 in 15, 5 times. Then 1 into 4 numerator, 1 into 4, 1 into 5 in denominator, 1 into 4, 4, and 1 into 5, 5. So is the answer. Next number 6. Question number 2. 3 by 5 in numerator by 7. 3 by 5 by 7 is equal to 3 by 5 all by, this is a common division, and 7 we can write 7 by 1. Then next line, numerator number 3 by 5. 3 by 5, this division changing and putting into. Then 7 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 7. Now see, there any number can divide or cut? No, cannot cut. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1 in numerator, numerator multiply and denominator multiply and write. 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 1, 3, 5 into 7, 35. So answer is 3 by 35. Next question number 3, homework. Number 4, numerator 2, 1 by 5 by denominator 1 by 10. So numerator 2, 1 by 5 we can write 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 division divided by 1 by 10. 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Now same process we have to do. 11 by 5, this division changing and writing into. Then 11 by 10 we will write 10 by 11. Then next here 11 and 11, numerator denominator we can cancel. 11 and 11 cutting. Then 5 and 10 we can divide. 5 2 times in 10. So 2 writing. In denominator only 1 is remaining. So 1 into 2 numerator, 1 into 1 in denominator. This is 1 into 1 not writing also okay. Then 1 into 2 answer is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means answer is 2. Next. 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 1 by 4. So question. So first 2 by 5. Here off is there. So off first convert and into using into. Then calculation also that you have to do first. So between these two fraction off. So that two fraction then calculate that two numbers first. 2 by 5 into 6 by 11. Here we can divide or next is multiply all multiplication only. So into 1 by 4 we can write 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5 by 4. So all three together we can calculate 5 and 5 cutting. Then 2 and 4 cutting, that is 2 times 2 in 4 2 times. Next 2 and 6 cutting 3 times, 2 in 6 3 times. So now no more number we can cancel there. So what is remaining? In numerator 3 remaining and denominator 11 remaining. So answer is 3 by 11. Then next number is 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. So division and multiplication two operations are here. So first we have to come to the division. And see there 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 first we have to calculate it. So 9 by 4 division changing and writing into. Then 1 by 7 reciprocal 7 by 1. Then last one also into 1 by 3. So all together, all complete multiplication only. Then 9 into 7 into 1 numerator number is 4 into 1 into 3 denominator. So here 3 and 9 we can divide 3 times in 9. So 3 and 9 cutting and 3 writing. Then other number we cannot cancel. So 3 into 7 into 1 in numerator. 3 into 7 also in 1 only to write. Denominator only 4 remaining. 3 into 7 21 by 4. 21 numerator bigger number, so we have to divide. This 5 1 by 4 is the answer. Next is 7 homework. Number 8. 2 by 3 into 1 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. Solution, and first here calculation of is there. So first you have to do of. So first number 2 by 3 same. 1 1 by 4, 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8, convert that. 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 5 21 by 8. Okay, then of is here. These two only first we are calculating. These two answer. Find out the answer. Then next division. Then 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Division is same. 3 by 7 into 21 by 8. So 7 and 21 we can divide 3 times. 7 3 times in 20. So cutting and writing 3 here. Remaining numbers we cannot cut, same thing only. So next 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by this calculation. So 3 into 3 9 by 8. 3 into 3 9 is here. 8 remaining here, so 8. Now division symbol is here. So these two divide. Next step. So 2 by 3 same into 5 by 4. So division only is division changing and writing into. Then reciprocal 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. Then all complete multiplication only. All together we can do our next 4 and 8 dividing. 4 2 times in 8. So 4 and 8 cutting, 2 writing here. Then 2 by 3 into here 5 into 2. 5 into 2 and denominator 1 into 1 9. So 2 into 5 into 2. 2 into 5 into 2. Denominator 3 into 1 into 9. 3 into 1 into. Now we cannot cancel any number. So 2 into 5 10. 10 into 2 20. 3 into 1 3. Into 9 27. So answer. Next number 10, 11, 12 do homework. 13. Next 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So first calculation is of. 1 by 2 of changing and writing into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 division symbol 2 by 3. So first of converting. Then here these two, in these two numbers we cannot cancel any number. So 1 by 2, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 4 8. So calculation over, that is 3 by 8. Then into same writing. Now next we have to, this division is there. Division symbol come between these two fractions only. So we have to calculate 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Next we have to calculate 1 by 2 division symbol changing into, then 2 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 2. So now complete multiplication only. So numerators 3 into 1 into 3 in 1 into 3. Denominator 8 into 2 into 2. 3 into 1 into 3 means answer is 9. 8 into 2 into 2 means 32 is the answer. 32 is the answer. So 9 by 32 is the answer.